hope you had time to look at this unit. This is absolutely fantastic. It is craftsmanship at its finest. This is a vintage 16-horse Atlas engine with a Morton friction drive chassis that has been created from original Morton parts, original Morton drawings. They put this tribute tractor together, a fantastic piece. Everything. I drove it last night. It runs. It drives so good. These were the original. These were the forerunners of the tractors that you're used to today. The forerunners of the tractors. You bought the Morton chassis. Put the engine of your choice on it. I hope that Atlas is a perfect fit for this Morton chassis. It's got this big bank of lubricators and a flyball governor. It's got all the great parts, all the brass. It's a great piece, folks. A great piece. And an affordable choice to an old, early tractor. What are we going to give on it today? Here we go on the Atlas engine with the Morton trucks. And what are we going to give on it? Give me 150,000. 150,000. Give me 50,000 to start it. 50,000 other here now. 30, 40, 30, 40, 40 now 50 now. 40 now 50,000. 40 now 50,000 now 50 now 50 now 50 now 50 now 50 40 here now 50,000 50,000 other now 50 50 here now 50 50 now 60,000 now 60 now 60 now 60 now 60 50 here now 60,000 60,000 bid now 60 now 60 now 60 50 here now 60,000 50 here now 60,000 now 60 55 60,000 55 60,000 now 60 now 60 now 60 55 here now 60,000 now 65,000 65,000 now 5 65 65,000 now 5 65,000 65,000 I've got 60,000 with Sherm now 65,000 65,000 now 5 65 65 take another look at this tractor 65, 65, now 70,000, now 70,000, now 75,000, 75, Sherm, you're out on the aisle, 75,000, 75, 75, 75, now 80,000, now 80,000, now 80, you're out in the back now, 80,000, 80,000, yes! 80,000 there, now 85, 85, 85, 85, you're out on the aisle now, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85,000 now, 85, 85, 85, 85, 85,000, 80,000, 85, 80,000, 85,000, 85,000 now, 5, 85, what's he say, Brian? 85,000, 85,000, 85, 85, 80,000, 85, 80,000, 85,000, 85, now 90,000, now 90,000, back at him, Sherm, now 90,000, now 95, 95, 95, 95,000 now 5, 95 95, 95 95, 95,000 now 5, 95,000 now 5, 95,000, make it bring 100 now, 95,000 now 5, what's he say, Sherm, now 95,000, 95, 95, 90,000, 95,000, 95,000, here now 5, 95, 95, 95, all in all done, 95,000, we got 5, 95,000, we got 5, thank you, Ryan, 95,000, we got 5, and I have sold it, $90,000, 224, moving into some